Hello everyone, and today I'll be talking about the update functions in Unity, which are update, fixed update, and late update. I'll explain each of them in this video. Now those functions are part of the Unity game loop. The game loop is a sequence of processes that run continuously as long as the game is running, and the update functions are part of this loop. Each have some differences from the other. Now let's start. 1. The normal update function. It is called every frame, meaning if your game is running at 19 FPS, the update function is called 19 times. Late update, it is the same as update, but it is called after all update function are being finished execution. Now, fixed update is called every fixed frame rate per second. 15 is the default, meaning if your game is running even at 120 FPS, the fixed update will be called 15 times only. And if your game is running at 25 FPS, it will be called twice per update frame. You can change this later. The important thing here that fixed update will be called 15 times per second. That's a fixed number. I'll be showing you those functions work, and in order to make our test more accurate, I'm going to use our application.target frame rate. This allows us to control and limit our game FPS. Now as you can see here, I have this class that actually control our FPS using this variable and a simple text just to show us our game frame rate. And in this class, I'm going to give these examples. Now in our start method, it just has a function coroutine just to stop executing our editor for our test. Allow me to show you. I'm going to set our FPS to 5 and I'm going to start running. As you can see, the fixed update is being called 152 times, while our other method is being called 17 times. The fixed update is being called 15 times no matter what. Of course, as I said, you can change this later if you want. I'm going to put another example. Well, as you can see here, our fixed update didn't change much, while other updates has been changed. This is because our FPS got higher, they've been called more time. Now something very important here that you need to know about these update functions. If these update functions aren't needed in your class or you're not using them, you got better to remove them. Even if they are empty, they are being called every frame. I hope you enjoyed the video and would like to see you next time.